I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Tzatziki sauce with Greek yogurt. First, prepare your cucumber. Take one large cucumber, peel it, and remove the seeds. Then, grate the cucumber using a box grater or food processor. It's crucial to squeeze out as much excess water as possible from the grated cucumber. This prevents your tzatziki from becoming watery and ensures a thick, creamy consistency. Use a clean kitchen towel or paper towels for best results. Next, let's prepare the creamy base for our tzatziki. In a medium bowl, combine 2 cups of thick, plain Greek yogurt. Full-fat Greek yogurt works best for a rich, authentic flavor and texture. Now, mince 2 cloves of fresh garlic very finely. Add the minced garlic to the yogurt. The garlic provides that essential pungent kick, so don't skip this step. Stir these 2 ingredients together until well combined. Now it's time to add the vibrant flavors that make tzatziki so delicious. Stir in 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped dill. Dill is a key herb here, offering a bright herbaceous note. Next, add 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. This provides a subtle tanginess. Finally, season your tzatziki with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper to taste. Mix everything thoroughly until all ingredients are evenly distributed. Once everything is mixed, cover the bowl and refrigerate your tzatziki for at least 30 minutes. Chilling is essential as it allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together and deepen, resulting in a more harmonious and delicious sauce. Serve your homemade tzatziki with grilled meats, pita bread, or fresh vegetables. It's incredibly versatile. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals you might enjoy. Enjoy your delicious, homemade tzatziki.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.